modern girl who is looking for the right to education, the right to express and opinion, the right to own property, livestock, and land, the right to live free from all forms of violence, the right to dignity, the right to choose whom and when to marry. Girl, stand up, reach for the skies. Our President William Samuel Ruto, if you educate the girl, she will have the confidence to stand up for herself. She'll say no to FGM for herself and for her daughter. And soon there'll be no room for violence against our women and girls. She'll not forget where she came from. She will inspire and mentor another girl to be better. She will leave an eternal legacy for our children. Girl, stand up, reach for the skies. To the woman, as we push against the odds, you learn that you really can endure. You really are strong. You really are worthy. Girl, stand up, reach for the skies. To our leader, Honorable Soipan, our mother, sister, mentor, friend, you have shown a living example. You have paved the way for us, the young girl. You have set the standard by being the first woman cabinet secretary. We are proud of your achievement and support to our community. We rally behind you and promise to uphold your values, the hard work, integrity, and discipline you have shown has led the woman to be better, to be recognized, to get a seat at the table. Thank you for setting the pace. Nothing is impossible. It is just not yet done. And you have done it for the woman. Mama Soipan, we are closely behind you, following your footsteps. Who knows? I could be next. For all the women still becoming, the day is nigh. Girl, stand up, reach for the skies. Thank you.